is your captain speaking. Welcome aboard EVA Air, flight to Asia.
Settle in where comfort feels like home. A warm embrace no matter where you roam. Ooh, Wi-Fi connects you. Gourmet meals with care. Your Asia journey experts. Your EVA Air. Fly with EVA. Your bridge to the skies. One fan service that truly redefine. Every journey's restful. Every flight's a delight. EVA Air. Your journey's done right. We are wings to Asia, where dreams take flight. With seamless transfers from day to night. Booking made easy, tailored as you wish. We're proud of making travel a comfort-filled wish. Fly with EVA, your bridge to the skies. Want that service that truly redefine. From many gateways across North America wide. EVA Air connects you to the world with pride. From Tokyo's neon lights, alive with vibrant life, to Bangkok's golden glow, where culture feels so bright. Hong Kong's lively spree, a city full of charm, top